I'm Tara Monster, and I like to make things. Today, I'm coming to you live from my backyard, where we're finally starting to see some sun here in Seattle. In fact, I just noticed that my cherry tree is starting to fruit. While I'm outside, I want to talk a bit about my clothing company, Revival Inc. I make shirts for the wild at heart. If you love camping, hiking, gardening, or even taking your kids to the zoo, my shirts are for you. If you feel a deep connection to nature and want to keep those memories of the outdoors with you, even when you're stuck at home or in a cubicle, then you'll love my clothing. From mountaintops to rivers, oceans to deserts, and all the creatures in between, ignite your wild side by wearing my handmade creations. Feel good knowing that they're eco-friendly and made with Mother Nature in mind. I remember when I printed my first shirt in college over 13 years ago. I was in love with the process and found an immediate way to share my art with others. Since then, screen printing has become my obsession. After learning everything I could on how to hand make shirts that are truly unique and better than what mass markets have to offer, I can't wait to pass this knowledge on to you with my products and through my videos, so you can see why Revival Inc. shirts are different. Because I love nature so much, it was really important for me to find a way to keep my printing process eco-friendly from start to finish. I use special water-based inks that are biodegradable with no toxins. They leave a really soft feel on the shirts. And I seek out the very best shirts to print on. The fabric has to be super soft or I won't even consider it. For women, I only use shirts offering a flattering fit, hugging curves without being skin tight. On this channel, I'm going to share all my screen printing knowledge, everything I know about t-shirts, including DIY hacks to alter shirts without sewing, as well as behind-the-scenes view of my handmade business, with insights and tips on how you can turn your craft into a business. So now I'm going to ask you a question. What is your favorite plant or animal? Please post below the video and give me a like because it really helps me out as a new YouTuber. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get a new video by me every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye!